I'm so sick of chasing these views. I'm so sick of it. I don't want it to look like I'm forcing like stupid shit anymore. Joke's on you. Joke's on you because you clicked on a stupid video. You're not funny. I have not said or explained anything. I've just wasted 13 minutes of somebody's life. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe. After you're watching this video, leave a like. Today, or in general, on this, god damn it. In general, on this channel, we do things about core skateboarding, and I show you guys how to be the core skateboarder, and I also show you guys how to be the not core skateboarder, aka poser, and we talk a lot about zoomies and irrelevant things that only you talk about when you're 12. That's what gets the clicks, and that's what makes the money. So that's what we do. Just like any job, you gotta do things you don't want to do to survive. Do I actually hate doing this? No, it's really fun, I love it. This is the skate park where we practice our maneuvers, and that kid over there won't stop getting in the way. So we gotta tell him to f off.
So I just tell him to f off.
He did that, actually told a little kid, hey kid,
hey, f
off.
I'd be like, okay, maybe we shouldn't have said that.
Now here's a beautiful skate session full of tricks and maneuvers and stunts that hopefully will make you like me more.
FCC won't let me be or let me be me, so let me see. They try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So come on dip, come on the lips, fuck that, come on the lips, and come on the tips, and get ready, cause this shit's about to get heavy. I just settled on my lawsuit. Fuck you, Debbie! This looks like a job for me, so just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, their parents still listen to Elvis. They start feeling like Christmas helpless. Someone comes along with a mission and yells, yeah, a visionary, vision is scary. It's called a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. So just let me rebel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass, and it's disaster. Such a catastrophe, but you can see so damn much of my ass is back for me. And I'm back, and I'm picture dancing, I'm standing in the running up under your skin like a splinter. The center of attention, back for the winner, I'm interesting. The best things, investing in your kids' ears and nesting.
Bless Brian's beautiful heart and soul, he's gonna film me. Alright, Brian, I want to thank Brian for filming me today. Brian has a YouTube channel, it's in the description below.
Hey, we can't golf here. We gotta go.
It's fine, Brian has a YouTube channel, it's in the description below.
Wait, I haven't talked to you in your video at all.
No, you haven't. You want to say something?
Hey.
Brian can't monetize his channel anymore, you guys.
I don't get enough views, you fucking assholes.
because YouTube changed the shit around. So go watch Brian so he can eventually monetize his channel.
400,000 minutes of view time. I only have 30 videos up.
Yeah,
that means I need 400,000 views on one video at least.
Yeah, go watch his shit.
Actually, no, I'm sorry, 40,000 views on one 10-minute video. Look it up.
Yeah, guys, look it up. Let's get him viral. Hey, wait, though. Look, I took my stitches out.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Right about now, the funk soul brother. Check it out now, the funk soul brother. Right about now, the funk soul brother.
Really crazy long, mellow circle rail, but you have to go 90 degrees at it. You can't go straight on. You have to like ride 90 and curve into it. It's weird. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything. This looks terrible, this angle, but a box from Vans just showed up at my door, so I'm gonna open it. This is weird because I didn't even ask for anything and she didn't let me know that she was sending anything. So sick. They're the new Chima 2s. Fully canvas, nice. So we are gonna make a video out of these.
The funk soul brother. Check it out now, the funk soul brother. Right about now, the funk soul brother. Check it out now, the funk soul brother. Right about now, the funk soul brother. Check it out now, 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 now. right about now.
Roll with this one.
And these shoes skated really good right out of the box. Now, one thing, they are canvas. I know a lot of people hate canvas. I, on the other hand, love skating canvas because I like the way that it skates. It doesn't hold up as long as suede or other materials do, but I do appreciate the way canvas skates over suede. Now it looks like your basic standard slim era or slip-on style skate shoe. There is extra cushioning in this shoe with the Ultra Cush insole. And then the Ultra Cush, hold on, let me pull this up here because I had it pulled up on the Vans website. So it has this like molded heel cup for extra cushioning for things like heel bruise. It's basically your standard vulcanized sole. One thing that is different though, the upper right here, the upper cap kind of wraps up on top of the shoe, kind of making it look like the Huff Classics. I think a little bit from afar they kind of look like that just because the cap goes on top of the shoe. But it does make the shoe and the flick very grippy, so you have to get used to that and you have to break that in, just like any other shoes with toe caps. It's a subtle toe cap, a subtle rubber toe cap. It's nothing too dramatic, but it is a lot more grippy than usual. Other than that, I mean, yeah, it's a pretty standard basic shoe. It skates really well out of the box. Although I did wear them around for 24 hours before I skated them, that might have contributed to it, but like I said, I do like the way they skate. They run pretty damn true to size also. Good impact sport. I skated a rail with them today and I didn't feel any kind of bruising or anything. Yeah, it felt good. I do think the Chima 2 is an improvement and upgrade from the Chima 1. I personally didn't really like the Chima 1s. Also, too, the Chima 1s I couldn't fit into because they were so narrow. It seems like they made this shoe a lot wider because I can easily fit into it. Yeah, I mean, I didn't really like the way the Chima 1s looked either, but I do like how these look. It's just a simple, classic Vans looking shoe, slimmer. I favor this style of shoe. I know that shoes are going in a different direction, it seems like right now. They're getting more technical and they're kind of getting puffy again. So yeah, I think this shoe might have been a little behind its time, but for me, it's good because I like it. I like shoes like this, and yeah, would recommend. I haven't posted in a few days and I just wanted to get something up for you guys. This box actually came to my door yesterday and I was like, oh, perfect. I'll be able to make a video out of those. I just haven't had anything going on really to make a video out of it. I want to give you guys an update on the pop-up / meet and greet that will be going on at the beginning of March, somewhere around March 1st. I still haven't figured out the date yet, but it will be at Common Thread. And yeah, I'm gonna have stuff planned that we can do, fun things, and it's gonna be sick. Yeah, it'll probably be like an hour long, I'm assuming. I will let you know when I get the date. I'll be posting it on Instagram and on my Twitter. Those are both in the description below. You can follow those. I will have a brand new SLAMMIN website. It's not gonna be the old URL. It's gonna be a brand new one. Now, I know I am technically not sponsored by Vans. I know how it works. I'm not even Flo, I'm not on the team, but they do send me free shoes to do reviews on. Those shoes today, I didn't even ask her for those. Those just showed up on my door. She, when I say she, I mean the marketing rep. Her name doesn't matter. I don't know why I even said that. But I know that it doesn't, I'm not sponsored, but sponsored by Vans. I get it, guys, I know how it works. I know how it works, I'm not an idiot. I know I didn't make it on Thrasher. I made it on Hall of Meat on their Instagram, which is technically Thrasher. That's how YouTube works. So you can just draw the lines and justify stuff so vaguely because that's just how it is. Technically, if we really want to say I made it on Thrasher because it's Hall of Meat, made it on their Instagram. That's it. It's not, I'm not sitting here saying, oh my God, I made it on Thrasher. I'm not telling my mom, hey mom, I made it on Thrasher. You want to slap that one on the fridge? No, that's not what I'm saying. Same thing like this. I know that, yeah, I'm not technically sponsored by Vans, but they do give me free shoes. The trade-off is making videos doing reviews of said shoes. And it works out for me because I love Vans. They've been my favorite shoes since, as long as I can remember. I love skating Vans. I love the eras. I love the slip-ons, blah, 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 etc., etc. Just wanted to clear that up because I know the comments are gonna be coming. I know what you guys are gonna be saying. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the future for a future video. Joke's on you. Joke's on you because you clicked on a stupid video. You're not funny. I have not said or explained anything. I've just wasted 13 minutes of somebody's life.